Evening all. Yeah, it's a late one tonight. Oh, look at my hair, great as usual. But I'm just walking Gary before bedtime, and Emma's indoors just getting the clothes not ready, because tomorrow me, Emma and Gary here are going camping. We're just going on a local campsite, not that far, but it's adults only, and the kids were going to Piper's Nana's anyway, so we thought, oh, instead of staying home, we'll go check out this campsite. So it's just like 2.5 miles out of Blackpool. We don't know what to expect, but we'll find out, won't we? Come on, Gabby. So yeah, just packing for that. Come on. And then we'll go there till Sunday, and then Monday we're getting the train, all of us, the kids, us and Gary are going up over to County Durham to see Emma's family for a few days. So yeah, busy. When they come back, the girls, we've put the girls into a little holiday club for a few hours each day, so keep busy doing that as well. So yeah, stop, that's what's happening. So I'll update you tomorrow, let you know what's happening, or if we're already there, whichever. It's the owner of the caravan site showing us our little pitch. Oh my gosh, look at that, how cute. Oh, fence up, peeps. And there's just putting the pigs in. Got all the stuffs. Just got the small tent this time, seems only has 3. This is our little area. I'll give you a tour around in a bit of the whole site, but this is our bit. So cute.
Go lie down. There you go. Sit. Gary, sit. Sit.
What for?
Sit.
Oh, you farted, Gary, stink.
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, just trapped me in the tent with it.
Trapped in a tent with a stinky dog. He's a stinky dog.
So beautiful.
Oh, we're in outer space, man.
The size of those lilies. Country road. Sat with her phone on charge. It's actually electric hookup. That's what those cones are for, by the way, guys. They're a bit of an eyesore, but they're actually where the electric hookups are. Here she comes, busted. So, can't vlog that much at the minute. It's not all that much to see, to be honest, but just chilling in the tent. Just made a little sofa out of our sleeping bags and whatnot. So yeah, so you can sit and chill. Hey Gary. Gary's had a good walk, haven't you? Went round. He's been walking lots today because we walked 2.5 miles to get here, and then he's had a walk round the site, and then we went up the road and that a bit. So yeah, he's had lots of walks, so he's happy. You had some steak for tea with us, didn't you? Yeah, your treats. It's been really good. So just got the kettle on again for another brew. I'm just talking to her gran, showing her on FaceTime. I'll show you the setup. Oh, so yeah, I just literally made a little area here for us to sit on, and then got the brew one out there. Little cups and that ready. Shame about those eyesore of cones, but that's where the that's where the electric hookups are. So they're not the prettiest thing, but we can't do much about that. We've got our only neighbours over there as well. They've got their camper van. They've got a good setup going on. They're just playing badminton out there just now. You couldn't get the net in the ground, but still, they're having fun. Yeah, it's an only adults only campsite. Small camper vans and tents. We're the only ones with tents here tonight. We're in a small part of the site. It's a pretty big site. So yeah, if anyone's ever in the outskirts of Blackpool, it's called Chippendale's Caravan Park. And yeah, so far it's quite nice. Gary's just trying to get off. Hold on. I was just giving our gran a tour around. There's our neighbours over there and their lovely camper. And goals, people, goals. They got their barbecue on the go. They got a little pot-belly stove for later. They've even bought the, the solar lights to put around the ground. The torches. What you put outside, torches, the flame ones. Yeah. They got it going on over there. Yeah, lovely couple. So yeah, that's what's happening, guys. We're just chilling. Gonna have another brew. So we'll catch you later, guys. Bye from Gary. The digging spot. He's happy digging away. Started raining, guys. We just settled in our tent. Just got the electric hookup in time. Gary's settled at the bottom here. I'm just going to chill in here for a bit. Probably watch a movie and get some sleep later. Night for me. Morning, guys. We're awake. Kind of. Kind of, eh, Gary? Gary's playing with Emma. But he's quite happy to lay down and go back to sleep if we do so. He's been pretty good. He hasn't yapped too much since we've been here so far. So that's good. And today we're probably gonna go and see what's around, really. Check out a local area. But so far yesterday we didn't find anything around here. I think this place is literally for people to stay where they're going to Blackpool itself. So yeah, but it's nice to chill anyway. So we'll have a little look around and we'll just chill. I'm enjoying the chill time, the quiet. Gary, well, we can, because Monday's going to be hectic again because we're travelling to County Durham, as I say. So yeah, there's Emma.
Meh.
Alright guys, I'll catch up with you later. pretty.